Hey everyone, Alec here with VEED, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add text to GIFs. So let's say you have a GIF or you have a short video clip that you want to turn into a GIF and add text to that GIF. This is exactly what I'm going to be showing you right now. Now the tool we're going to be using to make a GIF and add text to that GIF is called VEED, which is VEED. So you can either head over to Google and Google VEED, or you can click on the links which are going to be in the description below. So once you're in VEED, to get creating your GIF, all you want to do is click on the new project button in the top left, and here this is where you want to upload the video that you want to turn into a GIF and add text to it. So to do this, we can either click on the upload video button, or if we click on the little arrow here, we actually have 4 options to upload a video into VEED. Now I've already uploaded my video into another project just to save a little bit of time, and here it is. So if I click play, here's the video. So let's say you want to hear a pop when I snap my fingers. Now the first thing I'm going to do, because this is a GIF, I'm actually just going to cut the sound off because I'm not going to be needing the sound. And what I'm going to do basically is just add a little bit of text. But first I'm going to trim my GIF. So I want to find the perfect section that I want to turn into a GIF. So if I click play. Okay, so what I'm actually going to do is probably end the GIF right about here. Okay, and then I'm just going to click on the clip, and then I'm going to click and drag the handle to where I want it to end. So now if I put it back to here, click play. Okay, now once I'm happy with that, to add text, I'm going to click on the text tab right here and then click on add new text. Now, if we take a look at my video real quick, I'm kind of doing this kind of movement. Now, I can't remember what I'm saying, but I'm actually going to change the words what I'm saying. It looks like I'm being like, what are you doing? Or what are you talking about? So just for an example, if I write, what are you talking about? Okay, this is going to be my GIF text. Now what I need to do is style it. So first of all, I'm going to change the font. I'm going to change the font to Anton. I'm going to click on the advanced, and then I'm actually going to change the text style to outlined. So I now have this black outline, and I'm going to change the text to white. This reminds me of the kind of old meme style. I'm actually going to maybe, there we go, just like this. And then if I put it roughly here, click and drag to resize. So now if I do it, okay, and I don't want the text to appear straight away, so what I might do is change the time it appears. So under the text we have the 2 stopwatches, the start stopwatch and the end stopwatch. As we can see, the text starts at 0 seconds and it ends at 1.4. So I'm actually going to place my playhead at where I want the text to start and then click on the beginning stopwatch. Now as we can see on the timeline, it's cut to the playhead, and the stopwatch time is also changed to 0.3 seconds. So now, perfect. Now once I'm happy with it, all I have to do to download my GIF is just click on the download button in the top right. So if I click on that right now, VEED then starts to render our GIF, and then once it's finished rendering, we can then download it. So as we can see, my GIF has now finished rendering. So if I take a look on the right, I can either download it as a video or download it as a GIF. So if I click on download as GIF, I should hopefully see it in the bottom left. There we go. So it's now downloaded. If I click on this to open it, as we can see, here is my GIF. So that is how to make a GIF and add text to the GIF. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video and you got some value from it, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That being said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.